Get it. I don't think I'm going to be able to get this. Hi.
You see him now?
I don't see him in the camera.
I'm picking him up with my crappy camera.
Maybe that's a good thing.
I hate when it's really windy and they drift close to you.
Hey, I've seen something. Okay, that's the general location. Okay. So I got something. Oh, sir, I'm getting it. It took me a while to find it. Cool. Cool. Getting some UFO influences, are you?
I'm getting the green things, which are kind of disappointing. Hope that's not all the rest of it is. Okay, there we go.
I got that. Once you find them, sir, on the camera, it's alright. Just gotta have a general idea where they're shooting.
That's what I missed, the whole whistly thing, that whole... Hope there's some of those screamers. Oh yeah.
Come on, babies, don't let me down and go someplace else. Once I found them, sir, I was alright.
I hate when it's really windy and you're sitting there right next to the water and you have them drift over and you have like the whole soot land right next to you and there's shrapnel.
Whoa, they're hard on the heart. Are you getting them with your camera?
Yep.
I think my idea's fine. How you doing, Sarah? Sarah and I we're become professional folks, aren't we?
Where the hell did that one go?
Once you get the general idea, they're all there. That was cool. I hope. Sarah, I'm actually getting this stuff. When you get home tomorrow, we're going to see this on TV, this shit I've been taping. Do you want some hummingbird feeders? Okay, where are you?
I hope to get a better camera or something. That's what I'll ask for Christmas, a good camera.
Would you like to have a video camera?
I want one of the new ones that don't require any, discs or anything.
What the hell is that? Seriously, this focuses on its own.
Mine doesn't even focus. Mine's like, oh, you move, it's all blurry.
They're not very good.
I wonder how these are going to come out. I want the one that you don't have to look through. It's got the square thing.
That's creepy.
Wait till you see it in black and white. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There it is. Did you find it, Sarah? Maybe this is our calling, Sarah.
I would if I had a better camera.
How come we're all alone?
Because nobody loves us. That's why we're all alone, Wendy. I was talking to Trev for a bit, too.
How's he?
He'll probably be the first person who sees these things that I fixed, besides myself.
They don't get time to focus, I don't think.
That was cool.
Some of them will focus, and some will get a chance to.
It's only going to be really small because I only have 10 minutes in the 300 thing, and I have 22 in the smaller one.
You see that?
It's 192 by 144. See if I enlarge it a bit so it's blue in here.
I'm trying to be excited.
That's proof that the sound is,
Oh, this tape sounds, you know.
you know, better than that,
We're hoping.
one tape sounds, too. And apparently they enjoyed it.
There's no way that's going to come on Joyce's camera, this stuff, is it?
Maybe.
It's taping, Sarah.
I want to say hell yes. I want to know well as I can next time there's a big one. I think they are lighting the whole bridge thing up soon.
Then look like a bunch of Christmas lights. Don't they?
Yep. Oh, that's not what I want. Oh, I don't like that bird.
Oh, yes!
Sarah! Oh, nobody else is yelling.
I know, that's what makes me unique.
Yeah, but it's on this.
Enjoyment for Joyce.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, there she is.
Finally, they got the screamers.
Oh, There goes the budget.
Now that was pretty.
I'm hoping it was. Have fireworks when I die.
You know, plant them around your grave and let them off. Maybe a few people, it doesn't really matter.
Beauty of it all, if I plan this right there, I can usually focus and watch them at the same time.
And I'm telling you, these are gonna, on my camera, they're gonna be really poor quality.
Well, I don't know what I'll do. The main just get in the house and play it over.
I'll have my MP3 player myself.
Good Lord. People. Sarah, I went over there one time when I had surgery. I had to lay on the ground. That was fun.
Baby's enjoying it.
Yep. Oh.
It's not zooming in good like it usually does.
Will the color have to come in on this?
Did Joyce tell you it's color?
It's a color camera. Yeah.
Okay, then that should... I'm getting it on my crappy one.
Are you getting color?
Mm-hmm. I got 19 minutes left to film.
How many?
Not 19, 9 minutes, I mean. And I can't do that.
I thought there was another one that went up. There it is. You actually think this is going to come out? It seems to be focusing in Sarah. My batteries get low. Oh. Don't cough.
I can't help it. There's always going to go.
do very much if it will focus in on that. Is it focusing in on yours, Silver?
Mine doesn't focus.
That's cool.
Yeah, I bet those people thought it was cool right over their heads.
I think there's something crawling. Those don't come in good, I find. You know that? Some of those won't come in good.
I bet everyone likes that. Shrapnel everywhere. So.
There's a car down the road.
A crappy car.
Oh God, so when I was up at your graduation, I couldn't figure out why I couldn't see any pictures. Guess why I couldn't see any pictures?
Had lunch cap on?
Yep.
That's the classic mistake.
I wish I had taped the whole thing. I get little odds and ends.
Those are pretty.
See, so you see them better on here. That's really nice. That's all focused. I don't know how much time I got on this.
I have 5 minutes. Oh, before.
I think it is for the end.
15 seconds. I like the bridge up soon. I don't know what it's called. I call it the bridge. It's that line of water that they have. That's probably the end. Actually, no. I like how it echoes because it's in the valley, and you hear it all around. I like that thunder sound.
That's getting quite a ways over, isn't it?
No, they're getting higher and higher.
Oh, that's freaky.
No, it's massive.
That is really cool.
Hope that one that went over there didn't hit anything in the power place.
Oh, some of these are a little... Where I gotta tape hummingbirds.
Now all they need is music. You know, in other places they have these orchestrated, like those Boston ones and the...
Have you seen them wave flashlights yet? That means they're done.
No, because the trees and bushes are in the way of the ground. They usually like that little string of ones that just...
They didn't have that last year. This year. Last year.
I don't remember.
I think they're done.
I'll stop taping in a few seconds.
People are leaving. Okay.
And that's the power plant. There's a car. lights.
Right now, I'm taping the power plant. Okay.
And a car's driving by, so I'm guessing they're done. 88 miles per hour.
Now I'm going to... Okay, what's going on? So you gotta do me a favor. Mom, don't you move yet. Hold that